Big fan of learning new things. One of the things I'm trying to learn is Python. I've already taken a quick class in or using Udemy, Udemy, and I got a certificate, but I haven't really used the language all that much on the job. Just more just to learn it for my own personal knowledge. Some of the features I've been able to use using other software packages. For instance, if I want to build out something called SEM or structural equation models, I've been able to use that with software called PLS. So familiar with some of the things, just interested in kind of tracking my journey, learning a little more in depth now. A pretty good site that that I've seen being used to just kind of build developmental skills is called W3 Schools. Looks like the site has some really good capabilities, and a lot of them are free, which is something else I like. So I'm definitely going to use this. So I just thought it would give you a quick intro so you can learn a lot of different things: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, Java, PHP, C, C Sharp, C++, Excel if you want to get better at that. NumPy Pandas, some of those tie in with Python. R is really good for data analysis also. I've heard of Git, haven't really used it. And there's quite a few other things you can look at too, including just data science in general and cybersecurity. So, but I'm really gonna just focus in on Python. Spend a couple minutes to a few hours a day. Just depends on what's going on. So first thing, I'm gonna look at the home page. Start learning Python now. So there's a lot of really good features here. I love the site primarily because it gives you an opportunity to test what you're doing in the real world. So, hello, how are you? Let's hit run, and you can see your output over here. Hello, how are you? So, print's a pretty good feature just to get some basic information. Can also get your own Python server. Not going to worry about that right now. I'm going to run through and do a couple of these things. I'm just going to run through and let's see here. Learn a little bit about Python in general first. So in our file and handling section, you'll learn how to open, read, and write and delete files. So that'll be pretty good. Python database handling. In our database section, you'll learn how to access, work with MySQL and MongoDB databases. So that'll be kind of interesting. Some things I haven't really tried before. Python exercises. A lot of chapters in this tutorial end with an exercise. Check your level of knowledge. And there'll be some quizzes and some other things. So I'm pretty excited about this. So we'll see exactly where this goes and see if I can build upon some knowledge here. Yeah, there are a lot of good things here. All right, Python intro. What is Python? It's a popular programming language created by Guido van Rossum, released in 1991. So it's been out a while. Okay, it's really good for mathematics. Server, use on server, create web applications. Okay, workflows. I've seen some other things. Does some really cool things like heat maps. Just depends on what kind of data you can input. I may want to get my own Python server. I'll probably have to watch a quick video just to get a quick refresher. And then after that, I think I will be ready to get started. Many PCs and Macs will have Python already installed. Check to see if you have Python installed on Windows. Check if you have a Mac. Go to okay. If you find you not have Python installed, then you can download it for free from the following website: Python Start or Quick Start. Okay, so it looks like I need to get some of this done first, and then I can come back and start doing some basic information. But I need to get the software in case there's data and other things that I need to load. So this looks pretty good. Good start. I'll go ahead and get this video edited and up. But I think that's what I will go for right now as far as getting started with Python. I need to get everything kind of loaded first and watch a few introduction videos.